Asherah's beauty. Asherah's beauty. This Asherah's beauty. The wig for me. This Asherah's beauty. Change up your look daily. This Asherah's beauty. The wig for me. This Asherah's beauty, baby. This Asherah's beauty. Change up. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
You've been looking for someone who brings you breakfast in bed and doesn't mess with your head. No, but you don't answer to no one.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by MyFirstWig. Shout out to you, MyFirstWig, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is their LFB041 unit. The texture is silky. The length is 14 inches. It is a natural color. The cap size is size 2, which is 22.5 to 23 inches. The cap construction is 13 by 6, and the density is 160% density. All right, y'all. So with this unit, honestly, I did not have to tweeze it. I did not have to bleach it. Oh, girl, she woke up like this. She woke up like this. Okay. Oh, girl woke up like this. Even with the curls, all I did was curl the front part some. The rest, it basically came like this. Now, obviously, it's more so of a body wave unit. But so when you wash it or whatever, you're not gonna have those curls. I didn't bleach this unit or anything, so I didn't wash it. So how you see it is basically how you'll get it. But once you wash it, it's just gonna be your regular body wave unit, in my opinion. Like, honey, I ain't washed it yet, so I don't know. But in my opinion, once it's washed, it's probably gonna come out more like a body wave wig. As far as the texture, it says silky, but to me, honestly, it doesn't give like super silky. It gives like more so of a natural in between of yucky and silky. That perfect in between. That's what it gives me, but it is a silky texture according to the company. So I want to throw that out there. Now, as far as this hairline, like, oh girl, like I said, it woke up like this, and the layers and all of that stuff, it came like this. Now with this unit, as far as it being big head friendly, it does come with a pre-elastic band. I think you can make it work no matter what your cap size is. I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with it. But in my opinion, you could make it work even if you are a smaller cap size. But they do offer cap sizes, so I would personally suggest you get whatever cap size you are. As far as the layers and all of that with this wig, this unit came layered. It came exactly how you guys saw. Like usually with wigs, I will open them and maybe record one day the styling part and then do the rest the next day. With this unit, I have done everything the same day. I literally opened it up, showed you guys, and slapped old girl on my head. So everything that you saw is all that I had to do to this unit. No more, no less, girl. So that's pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with the cons because you know I like to end on a high note. And my con with this wig is going to be the same con that I typically have for these type of units. It's a 13 by 6. So as far as this middle part, honey, oh girl, is middle part, and it goes all the way back and then some. Like, you're not going to hit well till you all the way back here. But on the sides, if you really want to do a super deep side part, or you know, even here, it's only so far back you can go. And when I show like the combs and all of that in the beginning, you can really see how far you can go back, and that is going to be my only con, and that seems to be a theme with more high-end units. So I want to throw that out there so you guys will know. It's not a big deal to me, but I know it can be a big deal for a lot of people. So that is going to be my con. As far as the pros, honey, oh girl has endless pros. First of all, the hairline, the fact that I ain't have to bleach it, the styling of this unit. This is the perfect everyday unit. And I am, you know, the older I get, the more so I lean more towards everyday sort of units. Now, don't get it twisted, girl. I love a good long unit, but I love the long units when me and Bay are out here in these streets, honey. Okay? I love it for that, but as far as everyday, these are more so my go-to units because every day I'm a mom. Every day I'm not out in the streets with my man. Okay? Every day I'm a mom. You know what I'm saying? So I love a good everyday unit, and I love that about this unit. And I also love that if I needed to, if I need to make it hot and sexy, I could do like something over the eye, you know, part it differently, and it'll give it that grown and sexy sort of vibe. But I love that it's an everyday unit. I love the texture of this wig. Child, hands down, old girl is doing what she is giving, what she is supposed to give. Okay. Yes, I would recommend this wig, especially if you are looking for a good everyday unit. Okay, I did another everyday unit, but it had some color in it. This particular unit is a straight, like, number 2 or whatever, like off black sort of unit, which makes it even more everyday in my opinion, because there are a lot of people that don't like any color. So I love that with this wig, that it definitely does give more so of an everyday vibe, and just overall it's beginner friendly. Me personally, I struggle with the glueless styles because of these yells and possibly how my head is made. So I can't really do the glueless thing, but I think you could still make this unit work glueless, especially if you don't have, like, your head isn't made like mine and your ears aren't as big as mine. I personally can't do it, but I think that is also something to be said as far as it being beginner friendly. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna give you this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know what you guys think down below of this about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am feeling it, because I am definitely feeling this wig. Like, I have been skinning and grinning and looking at myself ever since I put old girl on. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am. I am really interested in your thoughts and opinions. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to MyFirstWig for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing old girl, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not about one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm 𝐏𝐫𝐞-𝐶 on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.